guys, what's up? I hope everyone's doing very, very well. And I just wanted to talk to you today about a new product that I've been using. I've been using Chemipure Blue. It's from Boyd Enterprises. Everybody knows Chemipure, Chemipure Elite, and all these other good, great products. But Chemipure Blue is one of the new products that came out on the line, and supposedly it's specialized for superior filtration for reef and marine aquariums. So I actually was using it for a couple months, wanted to test it out on my tank, but I actually want to break open the bag. I have one here used. I picked up a new one, and I actually wanted to break this thing open and see what's really inside of it. So I will tear it open and see what we can find. Okay, so when you first get the bottle and you open it up, it's gonna have a little mesh to get off, but for the most part, you take it out. It looks like a really good, fine, clean carbon, really dust free. It looks like it has some kind of media on the bottom of it. I don't know, it looks kind of like Purigen, but I'm not sure if Boyd Enterprises has any rights to that material or whatnot, so I don't know if it really is Purigen, but it looks like Purigen. It's probably just some kind of resin to remove any ammonia or nitrite. You know, same quantities, probably same qualities like Purigen. Looks like a fine carbon. I don't know if it's either rocks 0.8 or lignite. It looks like it's pellety carbon, so I think it's lignite carbon that's pelletized like this. I'm not sure, but that's how it looks like coming straight out of the box. So let's get into the good stuff. Let's open up this bag and see what we can find. So just put that there for now. Got my scissors. And let's see what we have in here. Looks to me like it's pelletized carbon, these pellets. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like these pellets of carbon, and I actually mixed up the resin so it's all in here, and it looks like there's some GFO in here. It looks like little round balls. I don't know if that's GFO or if it's something else, but I really want to get in here. Let me empty this stuff out here. But it appears to be pelletized carbon and GFO, and of course that Purigen material. So I don't know if you guys can actually see this on my fingers. Oh, let me see if the camera will focus. But it appears to be pelletized, like pellety carbon pellets and Purigen and some phosphate media or something. It's got brown little balls in it. But I wanted to do a little video for you guys and see what was in here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will continue using this stuff because I mean it seems to work really fine for me. But that's it for now, and thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys soon again. Thanks for watching.